Hello everybody and welcome to another studio vlog. Today is a Monday and it is just about 11 o'clock in the morning and I am about to get started on my day of work from home. So today I have some orders to fill, I have some designs, like some sticker sheets to format, I have some photos to take, and I have to vlog, I have to upload a new video, I might even have to edit that video. I can't remember if I edited it yet or not. So I have quite the work day ahead of me and I'm bringing you guys along the journey. I just quickly wanted to share my new workspace. My husband and I worked on both of our rooms over the weekend and my parents helped me disassemble the bed that used to be here that I used to sleep on. We took it out, we pulled this desk in here, I have my printer and like all of my shop stuff is in this room now, so it's like literally my studio space. I redid my gallery wall and then we brought this armoire in here and I was able to store a lot of my books that didn't have a home because my books are like they're forever overflowing and I don't have a lot of space for books. Like, this is my bookshelf and it's like my books are too deep and then there's also books stacked on top of everything and down there is just jam-packed of books. This is the only shelf that doesn't have books. It's my makeup and then letters from my pen pals. So yeah, I have like an actual space to create now and it feels wonderful, so I really can't wait to get to work. Just finished printing my orders, so now I'm going to go ahead and get to filling them.